Welcome. Today we're looking at the Unicorn AI Data Manager, or UADM. We've engineered this as the ultimate gateway layer for Microsoft Fabric, designed to bridge the gap between complex enterprise data and actionable AI insights. Let's get started. Microsoft Fabric is a powerful engine, but for a true enterprise, it's not enough. We face a governance gap. While Fabric handles workspace-level access and basic logs, the enterprise demands more. Granular control at the table level, per-request auditing, and automated freshness tracking. Fabric provides the engine. We provide the steering wheel. Now I'd like to introduce you to UADM, which we call the Intelligent Gateway. As you can see, it sits right on top of the Microsoft Fabric Data Lakehouse. Think of it as the smart layer that connects your data to the people who need it. On one hand, we focus on total control, providing fine-grained security and a sandboxed query console so your data stays protected. On the other hand, we prioritize usability with a bilingual data catalog and real-time monitoring to ensure your data is always fresh and easy to find. Whether you're a business user, an analyst, or an AI developer, UADM ensures that getting high-quality data is secure, simple, and fast. Now let's talk about security. We're moving beyond broad workspace roles to what we call precision access. Greater than using our UADM framework, access is mathematically calculated across 4 distinct dimensions: data source, domain, layer, and tag. Greater than, for instance, if an API key is assigned to sales in the gold layer, it is physically isolated from HR or any other data. This ensures that your access is not just restricted, but surgically precise. Moving on to security, we've built a dual-layered defense to ensure every connection is verified and protected. For internal access, we use Azure AD with the on behalf of Flow for seamless, role-based integration. For external connectivity, we rely on lifecycle-managed API keys secured with SHA 256. Finally, we enforce IP whitelisting, rate limiting, and instant revocation to keep the entire ecosystem under control at all times. Our context-rich data catalog is designed to bridge the gap between technical data and business insights. We achieve this through clear communication, a bilingual glossary that standardizes terms like SKU or strike rate, instant clarity, visual foreign key mapping that automates the quote join process, speed to insight, pre-built SQL templates categorized by difficulty, precision security, total invisibility for unauthorized data via API key filtering. This isn't just a catalog, it's a roadmap to faster, safer decision-making. Our interactive query console is designed for one thing: high-speed exploration with zero risk. The engine. We've integrated the Monaco editor to give you full syntax highlighting and auto-completion right in your browser. The sandbox. It's a completely safe environment. The system automatically intercepts and blocks destructive commands like drop or delete before they ever hit your database. The guardrails. We also enforce strict row limits and table whitelists. You get the freedom to query the data you need, while the system ensures the integrity of your production environment stays intact. Pipeline success does not guarantee fresh data. A job can finish perfectly while loading yesterday's numbers. We solve this with direct validation. By querying the Fabric SQL endpoint, we calculate the true age of every table. As you can see, stale data is automatically triaged to the top, so we fix the lag before the business even notices it. Moving forward, this is how we manage our end-to-end pipeline lineage. We've built this to eliminate the guesswork in our data flow. With reverse lookup, you can pick any table in the lakehouse and instantly trace it back to its origin. And if a source goes offline, our impact analysis lets us map every affected table in seconds. It's about moving from guessing to knowing, ensuring our data is always reliable and easy to recover. Next, our uncompromising audit and drift detection. We ensure total visibility through 3 core layers. Per request auditing. We log every single API interaction, identity, status, and response time. Nothing stays anonymous. Workspace snapshots. Think of this as a permanent, cryptographic photograph. It freezes your workspace state in time for absolute record-keeping. Drift detection. This is your early warning system. It automatically flags schema changes or row count anomalies between snapshots. In short, you get full accountability and zero surprises. To ensure your data stays protected, we implement a 5-layer security stack. It's a simple journey. We start by validating the identity of the request. Then, we strictly enforce scopes and permissions, ensuring people only see what they are allowed to see. We even sandbox the queries to prevent any system overload. This architecture allows your BI tools and AI systems to connect to Fabric via simple REST APIs without compromising a single governance standard. It's fast, it's simple, and above all, it's secure. To manage an enterprise data ecosystem effectively, we built this control desk. First, catalog sync. It automatically aligns your live schemas with markdown definitions to eliminate metadata drift. Second, ETL admin. We've replaced scattered pipelines with a centralized hub for all Azure SQL managed instances. Third, Schema Manager. This gives you one-click visibility. It scans via REST API to detect changes and handle bilingual descriptions in bulk. Everything you need to maintain a scalable architecture is right here. We've designed this to empower every role in your data ecosystem. For IT managers, we deliver total compliance and auditability that was once impossible. For data engineers, it's about a central console for automated, sandboxed operations. For analysts, we're moving you from raw tables to a bilingual, business-ready catalog. And for external systems, we provide secure, lightweight access without the usual SDK overhead. Whatever your persona, we've removed the friction so you can focus on the data. Microsoft Fabric provides the raw power for your lakehouse, but power without control is a risk. Unicorn AI Data Manager is the missing piece that adds precision, governance, and business context. We don't just help you manage data, we make it enterprise-ready. Control your data, secure your future. That concludes our session for today. All our contact details and location are right here on the screen for your reference. Feel free to reach out via line or email. Let's transform these ideas into reality. Thank you.